Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, we're on the road to 1K, so go ahead and join today by clicking that red subscribe button. But today I'm bringing you a different kind of video. It is a clean, declutter, and organize with me. As you can see, this is the before of the room. I am not really changing much on the walls. I'm just going to be like getting rid of clothes and toys and just kind of reorganizing their room. Because clutter lately has just been really killing me, and I felt like it was just time to do something new. And like I said, it's a change, but it's not like we painted the walls or anything drastic. But then we had like the changing table. It started spilling out into the front, y'all. We started having toys, you see right there in the crate in the front. We had the stroller, we got the table. Like, it was just too much. So I decided to go through and get rid of the toys that they play with once and didn't touch again, and just start trying to minimize the amount of toys that they have. So I ended up just sorting them. Y'all, another thing that inspired me to do this was because I been watching the Home Edit a lot, which you can watch on Netflix, and they basically go and reorganize people's homes. Now, not in any shape, way, or form am I doing a job like the Home Edit, but they super inspired me to start getting into like decluttering and like minimalizing the things that you have in your home or in your space, and just like organization period. So right now I am organizing like everything. You got the balls, I put the cards in one section, I put like the musical things in another section, and then I have like just random toys that's right here to go in this section that go with other pieces. And then they're like Game Boy quote unquote things here. And then there's a bunch of eggs that go together that I still have to find the pieces for to go in the egg carton. And then these are like the keys, a bunch of random stuff, some animals. These are things they actually do play with that I decided to keep. And a magnet goes into that little yellow thing that plays music. So then, and then on the left I have the stuffed animals, and then I have their piano, which I'm going to put with the noisy toys or the musical toys. And that's how I started. So in the show, like basically they will like quote unquote edit things out, meaning like get rid of certain things, and then go through what you want to keep, go through what you want to let go of. But yeah, y'all see like the toys ended up spilling into the front room, which is okay, but it was just getting too much for me, and I was like, all right, let's get this together. And I decided to sort. So we had more toys in the clear containers, as you can see. So I'm just still going through sorting with putting them in the Legos and the pods that I made. And I also have like the black bag, which is, one of the bags was trash, and then the other one was actually like giveaway. So we did end up donating the items that they didn't use. Okay, now we're moving on to their actual room. There was a bunch of blankets that I got rid of, but I also did keep some just for memories, because they had the little tiny small baby blankets and you can't get rid of all of them. But I did get rid of some of them. And then I moved on to like their closet, hanging up all their new clothes, and the t-shirts in the middle, the shorts in the front with the swim outfits, and then like the pants more so in the back. And at the bottom I have these like their 3T future clothes that they wear, as well as sweaters and jackets. Y'all, your girl had a whole plan. I had a whole plan. And then I started organizing like some of the baskets that I had. We had like winter gear in there, so we had like hats and puzzles combined in one. But I decided to go ahead and just take it out and put mostly sheets and hats in here, and their gloves, so that come wintertime we already know where that stuff is at and located. But let's stop and take a moment to adore these tiny shoes. These were their first shoes that their auntie Tia got them. And so of course we have to keep those. But like I said, we folded these sheets up. I think these are like, y'all know the sheets that go at the bottom of the bed, the skirt. I mean, other people might use them, but I don't. I've never been a fan of skirts. So as you can see, I was like, where we finna put these at? We can go ahead and let that go. But no, let's look at these hats. They're the cutest. So anyway, this is what ended up in there. Just some pillowcases and their hats pretty much for the wintertime. So then that will go up at the top. Okay, on to the next thing. So right here we have like basically it was a cabinet slash, well, let's not talk about it. But what I did was go ahead and decide to put their coloring books in here. Any arts and crafts that they have is gonna go in here. But this is just temporarily because I know it's sooner than later they're gonna be going in trying to get all of that stuff, and they'll be pulling out crayons and books, and you know, I probably need to put it up higher eventually. This is something that their should have been put up, but their auntie and uncle got them this, and so I'm finally putting it together because believe it or not, they actually still do play with their walkers. Going around the house speedy though, believe me, they be speeding around these corners. And I'm just like, y'all slow down. But yeah, so I decided to put this together, and I actually found this fun, y'all. Like, I don't know if this is making me more of a mom or not, but I really do enjoy doing these projects because it is like relieving. Does that make sense? Like, it's like therapeutic. There we go. That's a better word. It's therapeutic. Okay, this was the egg thing that I was telling you about earlier. So I'm about to go ahead and I'm trying to find all the pieces, try to put them together because they actually love this toy. They really do like putting them together and taking it apart. Those are the type of toys that I learned that toddlers, or at least my toddlers, need. Like, they need something to deconstruct, take apart, put back together, and over again because it keeps them occupied and busy. Once they kind of figure out a toy, then they looking at me like, okay, what's next? What we about to do now? What you got planned for us? So yeah, I'm about to be on the way with activities that they have to figure out how to do eventually, but I realize that's the type of toys they like. I did move the changing table into their room. My mom and my husband are like, yeah, no, they're definitely climbing on that. I'm like, but look, we can't get rid of it. We can't. What else we gonna do? I didn't want to leave it out in the living room. It was killing me. Y'all, it was killing me. So I did just decide to make it like we still gonna use this as a changing table. Put some diapers on there. Put the wipes on there so that they are easily accessible instead of having to go into the closet every single time to change them or whatever it is. I just kind of kept it, you know, on the top level. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out how I want to organize it. Y'all, I was so serious with this, so don't judge me. And on the second level, I only put like a couple blankets, things that I wouldn't mind them taking off. And those are trash bags for like when they poop, we put it in the trash. But yeah, I put blankets on the second level and like balls on the third level. So like just certain things that I wouldn't mind them taking off because I know at this point they are going to be reaching for it. Okay, so I finally finished the closet, and in the gray basket on the right is their bathroom stuff, towels, all that stuff. The striped basket has their shoes, and then in here is where like I told you before, I put all their arts and crafts all organized, their headphones, which they'll use for their tablets, pom-poms, crayons, construction paper, all of that. Then I put all of their jackets on this level, sweaters, and then you see in the corner is their blankets. We switch out every week. And then at the top is like, you know, stuff that you might need, like lotions. And at the top right there is their hair stuff, shoes, extra diapers, the diaper bag. Okay, and so I got rid of everything, you know. I know my husband was like, why do I have to be involved? But he helped me take this stuff to the trash. So a little backstory, when I was growing up, my mom pretty much always had to put things together on her own. And so see, low key, I think this is kind of why it became a love of mine. Like, I really do like putting stuff together if it is not extremely complex. If it's complicated, I don't want it. Where is a manual? Just go ahead and put this together. But the instructions for this was super easy, super simple. You just see I'm putting like the poles in the middle of it, screwing it, making sure it's sturdy. And I got this off Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, but I just needed somewhere to organize their toys. So I'm just going through putting this together. Like I said, it was really easy. Like, give me a easy project and I got you. I'm ready. The reason I chose this one was because first, it wasn't super expensive, but second, I wanted it to be something that the kids could actually reach their toys out of. It was extremely accessible. I love the colors that you'll see eventually that go in it, and it just made things a lot more organized instead of just like throwing the toys anywhere. Now I do understand that they are toddlers, and so they will not all be as organized as I have it beginning to start out, but they will understand like, okay, these are where the toys go back, this is where I put them at, you know, versus like they don't have a home. I did learn that with Home Edit, that everything has to have a home when it comes to decluttering or organizing or minimalizing your home. And so it's just something that like I said, I didn't got into. But yeah, look at these colors. I could tell them like, oh, go put it in the green, and they're really starting to recognize colors and objects and things like that. So that's super exciting. But like I said, it was just, you know, accessible, friendly. They do try to take them out, but you know, that's part of being a toddler. But yeah, I think they liked it, and you stay tuned because then you'll see their reaction at the end. Another thing, so I will put the link to this in my description, but another thing that I do like about this is, first of all, it's not super tall. It's super, like, they can reach it, like I said, and the colors, and y'all see, like I said, it was so easy. We just literally put the rods in there, put the containers on there, and boom, we're ready. Just put it, you know, you'll see where I placed it in the room, but super easy, accessible. After I vacuumed the room, I decided to change their sheets, and they, like most kids, I'm sure, love Baby Shark. So these are sheets that my mom had got them a minute ago. It was a whole Baby Shark set. So we're putting Baby Shark on it, and then we're gonna put the blanket on. It's so cute because every single morning they wake up, they're like, shark, shark. When they actually wake up and I come get them out their crib, they're so excited. And even on the wall, they'll say like, fish, fish. I'm excited about their growth, y'all. Like, we are really coming along, about to hit 2 years. It's so crazy how fast this went by. I decided that I was going to organize this in a certain way. Like I said, I did not expect it to stay the same, but it was fun to start out with. So I had like the cars over here in one section. Those are bowling pins, but they shake them like they're musical instruments over there. And then I put like the piano, their drum set at the top. And then I have all their stuffed animals going in that area. And then the bigger ones, I'm putting it in the corner because they like to drag those around the house. And then ducks are definitely like their favorite at the moment. Also, wondering if it's just me, but my toddlers love to throw not just balls, but any object in their hand. I'm like, look, you cannot throw the drum set. You just can't. Like, let's not do that. But anyway, I decided to put all the balls in here, and I was like, it's gonna work tonight. But this is what their door looks like, and I'm giving you an overview of when I finish what it ended up looking like. Now, it might look like a lot of stuff, but it was so much better, so much more organized, so much cleaner. Like, just the feel of the room, the closet, you know, I showed y'all that already, but like there's walking space in there. You know, they got their basketball hoop, their animals, their TV that they think they can pull down, the books right there in the corner, their Lego, their piano they can walk on, you know, the cribs, of course. It was just giving so much more cleaner, so much more organized. So, yep, this video definitely makes me a mom. I'm a mom. This project made me a mom times 20. So, but yeah. So look forward to more decluttering videos because I'm sure I'll find something else that I need to let go of. But like I was telling y'all, see, that's the bathroom stuff. That's their sound machine for when they go to sleep. Those are like shoes, and I'm not even gonna lie, they can't even fit all of those. But I couldn't let all of them go because I'm like, but no, they're so cute. You know, you just want to keep some stuff. Like, you don't want to be cluttery, but some things you're like, okay, wait. And then these are the socks, their shorts, and their pajamas, and then extra blankets and sheets in the corner. Up pretty much this whole area. Y'all remember it was messed up, so now I need to put that baby board in the car. But this is where the chairs are facing in because they like to try to climb on them now. But this whole space is now clear. Come on, Levi. Look what we have.
Come on. Look. Yeah.
Open it, Levi. Oh, that's closing it. Open it. Open it. We don't know how. Look, right? Knock, knock. Look. Let mommy show you. Look.
Oh, he was ready to.
Yeah.
That's what you said.
Ooh, cool. Whoa. He said, oh. Ball, book. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.